Hi, this video is to show you how you can turn on and off notifications in Google Classroom to help alleviate your inbox in your email account. If you go to the settings, these three horizontal bars on the upper left-hand corner, at the very bottom, you'll see Settings. Under Settings, this will show you what you have access to in terms of controlling your email notifications. I would make sure that the email notifications is turned on so you don't miss important information that I may post in the stream or private comments that I post to you about your work. It is up to you if you want to allow comments on your posts, comments that mention you. I would recommend that you keep private comments on work turned on so that that's a way that we can dialogue with each other and I can provide you feedback. Work and posts from other teachers, I would recommend that you turn that off. So every time a teacher or somebody posts something, that it doesn't bombard your email account. And it is up to you about returning work and grades from your teachers, invitations to join classes as a student, I'd probably leave that one on. Due date reminders for your work, probably leave that one on. But the ones I would recommend minimum is allowing email notifications and private comments on work turned on. Thanks.